Dear students of higher secondary level, you are welcome to the session. I am Siddhartha Shankar, an assistant professor in English in Government Horoganga College, Munshiganj. This is the continuation of my lecture on transformation of sentences according to structure. Today we will continue from rule 21. So in rule 21 you see the simple sentence may start with the plus adjective. In this case, to make it a complex sentence, we will use the people, those plus who plus be verb plus adjective, and examples will make you clear. And to make it a compound sentence, we will use some people and plus and. Let's see some examples. You see, the brave are winners. So here the sentence starts with the plus adjective. Now what to do? How to make it a complex sentence? We will start with the people or those. So we can start like this to make it complex. Those, then who are brave are winners. Those who are brave are winners, or we can write it like this: the people who are brave are winners. And to make it a compound sentence, some people are brave and they are winners. See the another example, the pious are respected. So this is basically, you see, if you follow the rules and the example, I think it is very much easy for you to do it yourself, and you are requested to do it, to make it, to work it out and write it in the comment box. Now you see rule 22. In a simple sentence, we may find WH word plus 2 plus verb 1, that is infinitive. So if we find these structure in simple sentence, to make it a complex, we will use subject plus verb in the first clause, then the WH word that is found in the simple sentence, and then we will use another clause. We will make another clause, and the clauses will be connected with that WH word. And in the compound sentence, we will connect the both clauses with and. The conjunction is and. So see the example. He knows how to do it. So he knows, here is the principal clause, or here you see all the characteristics of a sentence. He is the subject and knows is the final verb. Now how to do it, here we find the WH word plus 2 plus verb 1, how to do it. Now how to make it a complex sentence. The first part of the sentence will be as usual because the principal clause is there. So he knows, then WH word how, then subject he should do it or he has to do it. So the complex is he knows how he should do it or how he has to do it. And to make it a compound sentence, we will connect the clauses with and in this case you see and. He has to do it in a way and he knows it, or he has to do it and he knows it. This is also the answer. So here the clauses will be connected with and. See another example. He knows why to answer the question. Here WH word is why. So to make it a complex, we'll use the first clause, he knows. This is the first clause. So he knows, then why, then she is the subject. So he knows why he has to answer the question. He knows why she has to answer the question, or she should answer the question. And see another example. I know when I have to come. or when I should come here. This is, you see, this is one complex sentence, so we can make it a simple sentence. How to make it a simple sentence? I know, then when, then to. So I know when to, then verb 1, come here. I know when to come here. This is the simple sentence. And we can make it a compound sentence. I know uh, I should come here and I know it. This is a compound sentence. And I know the time. I should come here and I know it, or I know the time. Now let's move to rule number 23. Here you see the sentence may start with one adverb. That is, in the simple sentence we may find an adverb in the beginning. In this case, to make it a complex sentence, we will use it is, then we will use conjunction that or which according to subject. And to make it a compound sentence, we will use and to connect the clauses. See the sentence, certainly I will help you. So here you see the sentence starts with one adverb, that is certainly. Now how to make it a complex sentence? We will start with it is, then it is, then we will use certain. It is certain that I will help you. This is complex. It is certain that I will help you. And how to make it a compound sentence? I will help you and it is certain. I will help you and it is certain. See another example. Fortunately, he came round from his illness. So fortunately is the adverb here. So now, it is very easy. It is fortunate that he came round from his illness. And to make it a compound sentence, he came round from his illness and it is fortunate. Now you see rule number 24. In the simple sentence, we may find wish, desire, want, expect, like, request, beg, and order, and then 2 plus verb 1. That means an infinitive. So after wish, after desire, after want, we can find one infinitive, that is 2 plus verb 1. In this case, to make it a complex sentence, we will connect the clauses using should, we will use two clauses, and the subject plus should plus verb 1 should be used. And to make it a compound sentence, we will use and. See the example, my mother wants me to be a doctor. Now how to make it a complex sentence? We will make two clauses. My mother wants that my mother wants that I should be a doctor. The second clause, in the second clause we have used subject plus should plus verb 1. My mother wants that I should be a doctor. And to make it a compound sentence, we will connect the clauses using and. I should be a doctor and my mother wants that. See another example, mother wishes me to be a doctor. This is the similar example like the previous one, so you are requested to do it yourself and you can write it in the comment box. Now we will move to rule number 25. So here you see in the simple sentence we can find for the purpose of, for the purpose of. In this case, to make it a complex sentence, we will use so that or in order that. And dear students, after so that or in order that, we use can or could or shall or should according to the tense. And to make it a compound sentence, of course, we will use and to connect the clauses, and here we can use want or desire to. plus verb 1. So see the examples please. You see, we work hard for the purpose of leading a happy life. For the purpose of leading a happy life, this is a phrase, and we will turn it into a clause using so that to make it a complex sentence. So we work hard actually for the purpose of it is like 2 plus if we use 2 plus verb 1, that also mean the same. You see, we work hard to lead a happy life. This sentence also have the same meaning as the sentence given in the string. So we work hard for the purpose of leading a happy life. To make it a complex sentence, we use so that. So here you see, we work hard so that. Now subject, we can verb according to the tense we have used can. We can lead a happy life. Now in complex compound sentence, we want to lead a happy life, because for the purpose of, if we find in the simple sentence for the purpose of, in that case we can use want. So we want to lead a happy life and we work hard. See another example. We went to market for the purpose of buying a shirt. Now you see, for the purpose of buying a shirt. We went to market so that we can buy a shirt. To make it a compound sentence, we desire to buy a shirt, or we wanted to buy a shirt and we went to market. Okay, you can also write it in the comment box, because this is an example for you. Now let's move to rule 26. In rule 26, you see, in the simple sentence we may find in proportion to or according to. In this case, to make it a complex sentence, we will use the more dash dash, the more, and this is, this is comparative sentence. This will be a comparative sentence. And to make it a compound sentence, we will connect the clauses using and. See the example. We gain knowledge in proportion to our study. Now, how to make it a complex sentence? The more, we will use the more. So the more we study, the more we gain knowledge. The more we study, the more we gain knowledge. And to make it a compound sentence, we will use and. We study more and we gain more knowledge. See another example. He earns money according to his work. So the complex sentence is, he works, the more he works hard, the more he earns money. And the compound sentence is, he works more and he earns money more. So dear students, you are told to see the examples and you see the rule, and it would be very much clear to you to do such type of exercises. Now let's move to rule 27. In the simple sentence, we can find to your pleasure or to your heart's content. In this case, to make it a complex sentence, we will use conjunction as much as. And to make it a compound sentence, we will use and then continues to your pleasure or to your heart's content. So let's see some examples. I think examples will make you clear. You see the example, you can read to your pleasure. Now we will use as much as to connect to clauses. So you can read as much as you want or as much as you can. See the compound sentence. You can read and continue it to your pleasure. Okay, So and plus continue to your pleasure or to your heart's content. You can read and continue it to your pleasure. See another example. She may talk to her heart's content. So she may talk as much as she can or she wants. To make it a compound sentence, uh, she may talk and she can continue to her heart's content, to her heart's pleasure. Uh, Now you see the rule number on another example. This is for you actually. You can chat to your pleasure. This is, if you follow the examples that is given, I think it is very much easier for you to do it, and you can write it in the comment box. Now we will discuss on rule 28. In rule 28 we will find you or my level best in the simple sentence. Now here we will use as well as conjunction, and we will make two clauses. And to make it a compound sentence we will use and after this we will use my or your level best. See one example. I will read to the best of my ability, or my level best. I will read to the best of my ability. See, now we will make two clauses. I will read, the one clause, to the best of my ability. Using this phrase we will make another clause. So I will read as well as I can. I will read as well as I can. I will read and do it my level best. I will read, to make it a compound sentence you follow. So I will read and do it my level best. See some more example. They will practice their level best. So how to make it a complex sentence? They will practice as well as they can. To make it a compound sentence, how to we will use and. So the compound sentence is they will practice and do it their level best. Now let's learn rule 29. Here you see in the simple sentence we may find both dash and or beside. In this case we will use while to connect the clauses to make it a complex sentence, and to make it compound we will use not only plus but also. See the example. He is both a writer and reporter, both dash dash and. So now we will use while to connect the clauses to make it a complex sentence. So what is the complex sentence? You see, while he is a writer, he is a reporter. While he is a writer, he is a reporter. And the compound sentence is he is not only a writer but also reporter. See another example. Beside, the sentence starts with beside. Beside being a poet, he is a singer. So the complex sentence is while he is a poet, he is a singer. And you students, the compound is he is not only a poet but also a singer. Dear students, so far we have discussed a lot of rules on transformation of sentence according to the structure, and I think you have developed a very good knowledge on such genre of transformation, and you are requested to practice more in your residence, because I think as much you practice, the more you practice, the more you will gain the confidence uh, to do such type of exercises. I think, dear students, my discussion will be helpful for you to learn such type of transformation, and in my next classes I will discuss on another topic. Dear students, you are requested to practice it in your residence, and you please stay safe and sound. Thank you for watching.